All right, welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, I told you that I was going to show you how to, display the reports table, even though you already know how to do that. So let me just real quick. We're going to create a link somewhere here and say that we say reports, or maybe under orders, and then that way we can display that table here somewhere. So basically, it's the same thing we have done with view products here. So if you want to, like I said before, take this as a challenge, go ahead and do that. So it's going to be very, very simple. So we got this table here called products. We can just do a save as here and call this reports.php. All right, of course we're not going to call this function there. Take that out, and we got to go to admin index, right? So create that for this and say, you know what, if we get that parameter reports, we'll send people to the reports table, reports page, right? Cool. So now let's go to the SINAF, and right below orders we could do that. All right, hopefully some of you already went ahead of me and created this, because it's super simple to do and it would just give you more knowledge. All right, believe it or not. Reports, there we go. So now we refresh here and we got these reports, and then we go and we see this here. Now what we need to do is go ahead and go to our PHP MyAdmin, check to see that reports table and see the data that we could actually populate there. So we get the report ID, the product ID, the order ID, we get all this stuff, right? Beautiful. So let's go ahead and create those columns right now here in this table. Let's go to reports. So we get the report ID. All right, so we could say, you know what, let's just leave ID. Let's say order ID. Actually, I think it has another one. It says report product ID. So it gives us a product ID. That's pretty cool, right? Order ID, and then the price. We don't need a category here. We need the price and title, product title. All right, and the quantity. That would be nice, right? Quantity, how much? All right, quantity. There we go. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Beautiful. All right, so let's go ahead and see where we're using that function called get products in admin right here. Right here. Beautiful. So we're gonna just copy this. Why not? Right? Copy this whole thing, go all the way to the bottom, and I'm just gonna paste it right here. So you're gonna say get reports. Get reports, and boom, there we go. So we're gonna select everything from reports. There we go. All right, beautiful. We don't need none of this stuff here. We don't even need the product image. We're just getting the title of it. So now we're getting the product ID column. We need another one here. This one would be this is the report ID. All right, the second one is the product ID. Let's just make another one. This one is the order ID. Then the product price. I'm just gonna modify. We could have put the picture of it if we wanted to. All right, it's up to you if you want to put the picture. Okay, you know what, let's just put the picture in there. All right, so I'm just gonna make another TD here and say product price. All right, so you know what, I'm not gonna put it. I'm not gonna put that. We don't need all that information. If you need it, just go. You know how to do that already. But to be honest, we don't need that. Product title and product quantity. It depends on your application, right? This application here is. I just wanted to show you how to do that, even though you already know how to do this. All right. Very simple to do. This is gonna be, of course, a delete report. I don't know why would you want to do that, but why not, right? And get reports. Get report. Well, not get report, report. And I'm just gonna replace this one too. And then we'll call this from reports right here. Okay. All right, let's check it out. Let's see how this works. Enter. Oops, cannot declare show product category title function 762. All right, let's see what we did. 762, we are I think we actually copy some other code. Yeah, we did copy some other code. So let's just delete this part right here. There we go. We copied an extra code there, and that's all it was. Just to verify that the get products in admin. I'm just looking for that code again, and I can see that yeah, we did copy that. All right, so that's why we get this cannot declare product previously. All right. So now we have undefined order price, and that's because, of course, it's undefined. We don't get order price. This is product price. That's the column, and enter, and there we go. All right. So product ID, order ID. Of course, we got some zeros here because we were doing that in the wrong order before. Now we got the product price and product title right here. All right, and now we're gonna create the delete report page. All right, and you know, if you want to take us as a challenge, go ahead and do that right now, because that's what we're gonna do in the next lecture, and then we'll compare code. All right, take care and thanks.